In this guide, I'm going to show you how to activate your Windows 11. To begin, you need to click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. Now from there, click on Settings menu. Once it is opened, click on Update and Security. And here, go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If there is any update available, go ahead and install it on your device. After that, click on Activation, which is between Recovery and Find My Device in the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see your activation state. If it's inactive, click on it to expand the details, and there should be a button to enter your activation code. You can purchase your activation code from your store or online, and once entered, your Windows 11 will be activated. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.